friends, today what we are going to do is we are going to make some Valentine hearts in the style of Romero Britto. So let's see the supplies that we need. We need half a paper, we need markers, we need a pencil and an eraser in case we need that. Okay, so and then we need crayons too. Okay, so let's see how we do this. Okay, so Romero Britto, the last lesson that you did was about Romero Britto. So I guess you guys know who Romero Britto is by now. So I don't have to talk more about Romero Britto. In case you forgot, Romero Britto is a contemporary artist, which means he's an artist of our times, and he is a pop artist. Okay, so he make pop arts. So pop is a short for popular, art is a popular thing. So this is a pop art in the style of Romero Britto that we are making. Okay, so first let's see, I'm going to show you two ways you can do this project. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the paper in this style, okay, in the landscape style. First, what we're going to do is we are going to draw two hills and a sun. Okay, so this is the first way. So I'm going to draw a hill like that, maybe 2 finger space, and then start on the paper. Okay, and then another one like this, and then I'm going to make the sun here. Okay, now I'm going to make the rays go all the way to the edge of the paper. Got that? Now what the next thing I'm going to do is, this is a Valentine heart project, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to make hearts. Okay, so Romero Britto has hearts with wings, not just hearts. So for that, I'm going to add 2 lines and then make 1, a 3 and a C. 2 lines, backwards 3 and a C. So we have the wings. 2 lines like that, 3, bigger 3. Got that? And then inside each sections, we are going to fill it with the patterns that Romero Britto usually use. Okay, so this is one style, okay, with the sun rising, but you can see the mountains or the hills. Okay, so the next one I'm going to is again the sun rising, but this time, oh, my hands are dirty now. You don't see any hills, but you start from the bottom of the paper like that with the sun, and then you make the rays. Maybe 2 on this side, 2 on this side, okay, 2 in the middle. Now I'm going to add hearts again. So this time that the hearts, there are more hearts, okay, 1 big one, and then there are small ones. Okay, and there are no wings. In case you want to add a wing, still you can add a wing. So like that. Okay, the rest is the same. Inside each section, we are going to fill with a pattern that Romero Britto uses. Okay, so let's see how we do this on the paper. I have the paper here. Should I have, maybe I'll make the hills. So I'm putting the paper in the landscape style. I'm 2 finger space, and I make a line here. That is how tall my hills are. 1 hill, 2 or 3 fingers on this side. Okay, we have the hills, we have the the sun. Now let's add the rays all the way to the edge of the paper. So we have the rays. Now let's add the hearts. So it's up to you whether you want this thing also. If you want hearts without the wings, go ahead, make the hearts without the wings. But you can also have hearts without the wings and with the wings. Mix of both also. I'm going to start a heart from here. Oh, this heart is not a good heart. Let me, I need help always when I'm making hearts. So, 3 and a C, 3 and a, this was a backwards C and this is the backwards 3 and a C. Okay, maybe if you want, you can have hearts. Okay, so I have the drawing part done. You guys are going to take the black marker and outline this. Okay. Sound of this marker is irritating, right? Oh, please don't make the sound. This marker is not listening to me. Think, no, I want to make the sound. So now next what we're going to do is we are going to make those different patterns inside different sections. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black. Where's my black marker? Right. So there is a trick that I do. Have you guys done this? Like take the marker cap, that marker is gray, and then to make circles, perfect circles if you need. Can you see? It's like stamping, printing. I think I need to find my black marker. Black marker, where are you? Hiding. Maybe I was using the black marker. I put it somewhere. The black marker is the marker I use most often. And then maybe what I did. Do I have it outside? I'm sad. I lost my black marker. So I'm just going to show with this one. Maybe this. Take the marker cap and then run your marker and then press it down. You get nice circles. These fellows are drying up, I guess. Let me use this and see. This won't dry. I hope this is juicy enough. Oh, it is not juicy at all. So this is how you can make circles. Perfect circles if you want. My markers, I need to replace all my markers, you guys. Or you could just draw freehand. Okay, I think I got enough circles. So can you see the circles that I made? Is it too faint? Maybe I'll draw over those circles with this. No, it's not perfect circles. Okay, next pattern, maybe I'll make flower pattern that he makes. He uses these patterns of light. Then he uses something like a pie. You guys remember that? It seems it is an imitation of his signature. He liked the way the signature looked, so he started incorporating that. So I'll put it somewhere here. Okay. Then maybe we can just, let me see Romero Britto's picture. Romero Brito art. Hearts. Okay. You can also add the lines also later on. So these are the patterns for now. I'm going to take my marker and then I'm going to start coloring this. Okay, so the sun, I'm going to color with orange. Where is my orange? Oh no. Did somebody take and play with my colors? Why? Okay, no orange. I'll use the crayons for the orange. I'm missing my orange. Orange and black ran away. So orange for the sun, okay? So I'm going to press really hard so that way it will look nice and dark. This. As you know, you guys don't have to imitate the same shapes that I have put inside. You can like put this over here or like mix and match, right? You don't have to copy it exactly like I did, but try to use the Romero Britto style shapes that he put inside. you should be remembering it from last week, right? So even if I haven't used any of those shapes from last week here, if I forgot to use some of that, you can use that instead also. Then what color? So this one. Remember the thick lines. I'm not drawing the line on top of the heart. Okay, now I'm going to take another color, maybe this yellow. I'm going to go in a different direction. This time the lines are going this way. Let me use brown. So now I'm going to use the crayons and start coloring this now. Here. Yellow. Because I used the crayon on top of the crayon, it's like smudging. If it was marker, it would have stayed better. So let me use pink for this one. You guys should have made these lines with the markers, okay? And then the bigger areas we are going to color with the crayons. Use the light orange to color this one. And I'm going to use orange over here. Because it's a sun's rays, I'm trying to use the colors that would, like it's a setting sun or the rising sun, right? So the sky would be like orangish yellow, so that's why I'm using different shades of orange for the rays. This, okay. Use yellow here again. If you want to make it look like a rising sun rising, maybe you could have used like blues and purples also. Let me use, what color next? This pink, a little bit more darker, so it will look like a different color. So over here, I'm going to take green and instead of this, I'm going to use purple. My flowers look almost like clouds. I'm going to put these crayons back and I'm going to use greens or browns for the ground. So maybe I'll use light green. Over here, we are not using warm colors over here, okay? Let's use the cold colors. I'm going to use brown over here. Okay, now let's see how we are going to color this hearts. You can just use the markers and then color that. You can give solid colors, or you can have like one section, one color. And the other side, another color. I'm going to color the wings with crayons to make it like it's like a lighter color. I don't want the wings to be as bright as the hearts. The heart, okay? On this side. This heart. A yellow heart. What should be the on the other side? Purple. Okay. Make the wings with the crayon so that doesn't it looks nice, but it is not going to stand out that much. I'm going to use the same color as I used for that side. And these little hearts floating here, you can use any color and color them, okay? And with that, we are done with our project for today. Hope you guys had fun making this Romero Britto style Valentine hearts with me. I would like to see how it turned out. So please do email me. Write your name in the corner, okay? Name and your grade and your room number, and email me along with your school name, okay? And till we meet next time, bye-bye.